The Roborock S8 Robot Vacuum is equipped with advanced reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, using 3D structured light and infrared image technology to identify and bypass unknown objects on the floor, providing a more accurate and customized cleaning experience. Its DuoRoller Brush system is specifically designed to ensure fewer hair tangles, making it effective on a variety of surfaces, from hardwood and tiles to carpets and rugs. With a powerful 6,000 Pascals suction, the Roborock S8 effortlessly eliminates dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and floors, leaving your home spotless. The upgraded VibraRise 2.0 mopping system provides a wider mopping zone with high-speed scrubbing and consistent mopping pressure, effectively cleaning stains from soda to dried-on spills. The PreciSense LiDAR Navigation system allows the robot vacuum to easily maneuver your home during cleanups, with quick mapping for a perfectly cleaned home every time. To enhance cleaning efficiency, it is recommended to place the docking station on a hard, flat surface near a wall, ensuring optimum coverage and hassle-free cleaning.